Have you ever used a website that just feels smooth? Like you click around and it all just feels connected and really well put together? The thing is that it's usually not because of some crazy complex animations. It is the small details and decisions that stack up. One of the highest impact details is page transitions because they decide how your website moves. You can keep them really subtle or you can go super crazy. Either way, these control the continuity between your pages. They are what transform a good looking website into an amazing one. So we made the page transition course. Because if you've ever looked into making page transitions, chances are you've seen either of these two extremes. First, it's a random tutorial that looks good, but you're like, okay, cool, how do I use this in a real project? Or it's this crazy complex setup that just turns your build into an absolute mess. This course is us showing you a repeatable system for page transitions. The kind of setup that you can use again and again and actually understand. So you know what's happening and you can confidently use it in your projects. You'll build the foundation with us in over 20 dedicated video lessons. We then also give you some beautiful transition templates built on that exact system. And you're not doing it alone. Everyone that gets into the course will get access to our Slack community with over 1,000 people from all over the world. This is where people share what they're building, you can ask for some feedback, and if you're stuck, this is also where you're going to be able to get some help. We built this the same way we build everything at Osmo. It is practical, it is production-minded, and it is focused on the things that actually make a difference. For some context, me and Dennis together have over 35 Side of the Day awards. And I'm not saying that to flex. I'm just saying that we shipped a lot of websites, a lot of page transitions, and over the years we've learned what things tend to break, what tends to be annoying, and what actually holds up. If you want to understand how smooth page transitions work and start using them in your own projects, this is for you. You can either access this course as a one-time purchase or through your Osmo membership. If you become an Osmo member, not only do you get access to the course, but also to a growing library of over 150 resources and components that we update every single week. So if you're ready to take your website to the next level, become a member today.